Despite what most think, the balance between professional and personal life isn't found, it's crafted. And if you believe you can successfully judge your home projects with work without a strategy, it's time for a reality check. So welcome back. For the next 3 minutes or so, we're spotlighting a topic that most of us either glorify or overlook, and that is multitasking. And through this week's newsletter and blog post and infographic, I've shared the playbook to managing both home projects and to work like a pro. And this week we've unveiled the art of prioritization, the power of delegation, and the importance of setting boundaries both at work and during home projects. And we've also discussed techniques to manage time, stress, and the resources to ensure neither your professional responsibilities nor your dream home project takes a backseat. But let's pause and take a deeper look at one aspect that doesn't get enough limelight, but is at the very heart of efficient multitasking. And that is, it's the mental framework, or in simpler terms, the mindset. Now, to truly understand this, we'll dissect it into 3 foundational pillars: flexibility, focus, and forethought. Now, in the dance of multitasking, flexibility is your ability to pivot seamlessly. Now imagine this, you've just wrapped up a crucial work meeting, and now you need to decide on the kitchen tiles. Now both require entirely different mindsets, and flexibility is about transitioning between these distinct roles without the baggage of the previous task. It's about letting go when necessary, adapting and immersing in the present task. And while flexibility enables you to switch roles, focus ensures that you're 100% present in each. Now, multitasking, it doesn't just mean doing multiple things simultaneously. It means giving undivided attention to one thing at a time. Think of it as quality over quantity. It's better to allocate specific blocks of undisturbed time to your home project rather than sporadically chipping away at it amidst work calls or emails. And this way, every decision, be it professional or personal, is well considered and not made in haste. Now, the unsung hero of multitasking, this is about anticipating potential challenges and roadblocks. So when juggling a home project with work, think a few steps ahead. If you know a work-intensive week is approaching, maybe it's wise to not make significant home project decisions during that time. Or if you've scheduled a meeting with your architect, ensure that your work calendar is clear for a few hours before and after, and that'll give you the mental space to brainstorm and make decisions. And it's also worth noting that while these pillars aren't vital, one can't overlook the tools and the techniques that aid multitasking. You know, the things like digital calendars, task management apps, and even simple sticky notes. They can be your allies. But remember, the tools, they're only effective when they're wielded with the right mindset. So in essence, multitasking, it's less about juggling and more about understanding which ball to catch and which to let bounce for a moment, ensuring that none drop permanently. It's the art of harmony, synchronization, and strategic planning in the chaotic concert of life. If this video resonated with you, then please hit the like button and share it with those who you think might benefit. And also subscribe for more such insights. And I'd love to hear your multitasking challenges or success stories, so drop them in the comments. And for a deeper dive into how to juggle work and home projects efficiently, don't forget to check out the newsletter or the latest blog post, and also my latest infographic. All the download links are below this video. So in the symphony of life, multitasking, it's not about playing every instrument at once. It's about mastering the art of timely solos. So here's hitting the right notes, one task at a time.